Okay, in this video, we're going to take a look at seat 4 here. So we'll start off with just a little bit of slow motion, just so you can kind of see. Let's slow it down a bit. So kind of see exactly, what you look like when we're just paddling in slow motion here. Overall, not bad actually. I think one of the things that I did notice is that you do look a little bit better on your left side than you do on your right. It's pretty typical. I don't know if it's like the whole AMA thing and people are concerned about flipping or whatever it is, but you look a lot more comfortable on your left. A little bit more reach angle on your left side, a little bit more twist on the left, but also it could be the angle of the camera too. So we'll just kind of take a look here and take a look at your couple of changes. So overall looks good, and you can always rewind this so you can see the slow motion thing again. But yeah, not bad. All right, so let's take a look at everything. So kind of like in all the other videos, I want to show two ways that we get power here. So first way, of course, is your hinge. So starting here and then moving back up. So you got these two lines, that line here, watch your head, and you go back up to the top here. So good power there with the hinge. And then the other way is if we do twist, which twist is good. So starting with your bottom shoulder to your top, looks good. And then from your head down to your waist. So really good stuff there. And then see how we're twisting here. So bottom shoulder comes here to the top. And then now your whole body is twisted. So actually let's back it up a little bit. Yeah, I don't know, there's lines everywhere now. I don't know, hopefully that makes sense. So anyway, bottom shoulder starts there and then you twist, 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 twist down to the back. So overall, looks pretty good. Let's take a look at the left side here. Good change. Good change. Looks good. So one thing that we always do point out is we want to try to get this forward angle as forward as possible, but that's actually not bad, because what happens is when we start pulling, only here is our paddle fully submerged into the water. So from this forward spot to this second spot, all of that basically is lost. So ideally, if you can, try to get the paddle buried up more in front, so at least you're at a 90-degree angle here. And if you can get it more up here, then even great. So what you'll have to do is open this up a little bit more up here, and then that way you can have this forward angle at the very front. So I'll give you an example here. So we got a couple of guys, and keep in mind that our guys are 6 feet tall, so the paddling is going to be a little bit easier for us. I'm trying to find somebody. Shucks, I should have did this sooner. Okay, so let's take a look at these guys here. So guy in seat 2, again, he's about 6 feet 2 inches tall, so keep that in mind. But if you take a look at his paddle angle all the way up in front, and then when he's fully submerged right here, he's got a forward angle. So then what happens is from this moment on all the way through his stroke, he's got full power all the way through. So again, let's go back to yours. And again, not saying that yours is bad, yours is great. That forward angle. So what you can do is, like we're talking to, I think her name is Bella, seat 3. So what I was saying with her is flexibility is really key. So if you're able to get that bottom shoulder more forward, that top shoulder, you can actually pull it back a little bit. So push the top shoulder back And then lean on your legs a little bit. I think that was the one thing that I saw in yours is the legs, your legs weren't really moving that much. So taking a look, back. So let's watch your right leg here, your right thigh. So moving forward, okay, driving down, not much movement in that leg. Yeah, little bit of movement, not much though. If you can get a hard push off those legs, that'll give you a lot more power as well. But overall, good open. So you got a nice triangle here. So bone to your head, then up there. So that's good. Nice open triangle. So hopefully you can keep that throughout the race. What happens is a lot of people start to scrunch up. I have a tendency of doing that as well. So again, good power in the hinge, good power in the twist. So lines galore. The twist, 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 twist. That's pretty much it. Trying to think of if there's anything else. I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, overall looks pretty good. So slow here. Yeah, again, getting it up as far as possible, but not bad. Yeah, get on those legs, push down on those legs. Besides that, not bad. Yeah, looks good. All right. So yeah, just work on those couple of things. You know, get the blade buried up in front. Work twist and your hinge. Right. See if you can get your bottom shoulder out a little bit further and your top shoulder pulled back a little bit more. And yeah, I think you guys will do really well this season. You guys have really good technique, and everyone's kind of aligned pretty well. I've seen the rest of the crew, and everyone's pretty aligned on the technique overall. So right on.